Tired of OneNote making it impossible to email your entire notebook? Here are two foolproof methods to send it in seconds. First, I will show you the recommended sharing link method for live access. Then, the offline package method for a complete copy. Alright, so for the first method, we are going to use the sharing link. This is the method Microsoft recommends, and I have verified it directly from their support documentation. It gives the person you are sending it to real-time access to the live notebook. The only catch is that your notebook needs to be saved to OneDrive or SharePoint first. If it is, you are good to go. Start by opening your notebook in the OneNote desktop app or on OneNote for the web. Either one works fine here. Once it is open, look in the top right corner for the Share button. Go ahead and click that. Now a menu will pop up. You want to select the option that says Share Entire Notebook. This is important because it sends the whole thing, not just a single page or section. Then, you type in the email address of the person you want to share it with. Right below that, you will see permissions. You can choose Can Edit if you want them to be able to make changes, or Can View if you just want them to look at it. Pick whichever one fits. Finally, click the Share or Send button. That will automatically email them an invitation link to the notebook. And that is it for method 1. It is quick, clean, and keeps everything synced. Now for method 2, the offline package. So, what if you need to send a complete copy that is not linked to your personal OneDrive? Maybe you are leaving a company or you just want to hand off a static copy with no strings attached. For that, you need to create a package file. You have to use the OneNote desktop app for this. The feature is not available on the Mac app or the Windows 10 version, so make sure you are on the full desktop application. Go to the File menu in the top left, and then click Export. Under Export Current, you will see a few options. Select Notebook. Then, under Select Format, look for the one that says OneNote Package. It will have a .onepkg extension. Choose that and hit the Export button. Your computer will ask you where to save it. Pick a spot you will remember and click Save. This might take a moment to process if the notebook is large. Now open up your email client, whether that is Gmail, Outlook, or anything else. Create a new message and attach that .onepkg file you just saved. One thing to note here, the person who receives this file will need to save it to their computer and then open it in their own OneNote app to unpack it. It does not open like a PDF. They double-click it and OneNote will ask them where to import it. But once they do, they have a full independent copy of your notebook. And there you have it. 2 reliable ways to send your entire OneNote notebook via email. Use the share link if you want them to have live access. Use the package file if you want to hand off a complete offline copy. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.